Last week, we learned how to find our lane. This week, we learn how to hold it when the road gets tough. Welcome back to the rest stop. If you've been with us through this first stage of the rebuild, you already know we're not just talking theory here. We're doing the work. Brick by brick, day by day, one honest moment at a time. And alignment, real alignment, doesn't show itself when things are easy. It shows when you're tired, when people disagree, and when emotion starts to outweigh reason. That's when leadership becomes a choice, not a title. Here's the thing about teams. In every healthy one, there's friction. And friction isn't failure, friction is feedback. Misalignment doesn't always mean people are against you. Sometimes it just means they don't have the same information, or they're protecting something that they care about. But when we react to friction with ego, we create division. When we respond with clarity, we create progress. So if last week's alignment work was about finding your lane, this week it's about holding it. With calm, with conviction, and with grace. Because real alignment isn't agreement, it's commitment. Commitment to mission, to respect, and to each other. Today, I want you to try something simple but powerful. Before your next conversation, especially one you know might carry tension, ask yourself this: what outcome am I actually hoping for? Most of the time, we think we want to win an argument, but what we really want is clarity, connection, or even consistency. When you name the outcome before you open your mouth, you stop reacting and you start leading. That's alignment under pressure. And if the people around you start to drift, don't meet chaos with more chaos. Meet it with steadiness. Your calm doesn't mean you don't care. It means you're leading with focus instead of fear. I see you. The one trying to keep peace in the room full of passion. The one balancing personalities, deadlines, and too many text message threads. I see how you bite your tongue sometimes, not because you're weak, but because you know this moment isn't about being right. It's about being wise. You're the quiet glue that holds the program together, and you don't get enough credit for it. But please hear this. Your restraint, your calm, and your consistency are not invisible. They are the culture. They teach everyone around you that leadership isn't loud, it's steady. It's the person who stays kind even when it's not convenient. As we move through this second week of the rebuild, we're going to dig into systems that help you maintain alignment long term, how to make meetings productive, how to handle miscommunication before it becomes conflict, and how to build trust that lasts beyond one season or one show. Because your influence grows when your reactions shrink, and every time you choose composure over chaos, you're training your team how to follow your lead. And that's alignment that lasts. So take a deep breath. You don't have to fix everything today. You just have to keep driving straight when the road shakes. When you hold your lane with integrity, others start to realign on their own. You are the recalibration point for your program's culture, and every morning you start here, with a clear mind and a calm heart, you make this movement stronger. So hold steady, my friend. The rebuild continues. We're rebuilding culture, one morning, one conversation, and one rest stop at a time. Thanks for stopping with me here today. Keep going down that road, and we'll see you at the next rest stop.